I have a very unusual person talking about compassion to you, and I want him to give his comments now. Because he's not normally, he works for an organization which recently had not been associated with compassion so much. He's the Commissioner of Police for Mumbai. And he, on his own violation, and we are not putting him on the spot, Dr. Satyapal Singh, if you could just identify yourself, sir. And he has been keeping Mumbai safe due to self, and but he also gets a lot of flack, I'm sure. So, and he wanted to talk about compassion, just a comment or something, and even if you have any question, for this, it's okay if you can have 2-3 minutes.
His Holiness, all the dignitaries on the dais, and all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I was really attracted by the theme of today's program and got prompted by the speakers. I have very few important thoughts to be shared. Today, in individual life, in social life, in family life, we have lot of tension, lot of stress, discord, disputes, lot of violence, lot of crime. What is the root cause of it? And the root cause of it is that we really do not believe in one humanity. And this one humanity has been fractured by the different kind of religions, different religions. These different religions, they have created walls, they have created barriers. If we really believe in one humanity today, there is only one science, one physics, one chemistry, one medical science, one architecture. How can we have different religions for one humanity? Today, persons coming from different faith, if they meet one accident, treatment is the same because pain is the same. When pain is the same, actual religion, the real religion means that it should relieve you of the pain. But that's not happening. Unfortunately, the so-called votaries of the religions, they don't talk truth. They don't talk truth. Truth means that Dharma is only one. God is global, Lord is local. Start believing in God, not in lords. If you want to really want to become really human, if you really want to become the compassionate, there are basically 4 requirements. If you have the time, 2 minutes. Number 1, we have to be spiritual. What does it mean to be spiritual? Spiritual means that you have to believe that there is one supreme power. What kind of supreme power? The supreme power means that he is omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent. Number 2, you have to believe in one humanity. And number 3, you must believe that whatever you do today, you have to face the consequences tomorrow. Because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Energy can be transformed into matter, and matter can be transformed into energy. It is the principle, law of the nature. Therefore, if you do something wrong today, if you hate, if you have the intolerance in your mind, you will get the intolerance and hate from others. That is why the person, if you commit some mistake, some sin or some wrong thing, don't believe if you go to the church, if you go to the temple, if you have a dip in the Ganga, your sins will be wiped away. No, it cannot be. That is why Dharma means, which says that if you do something wrong, you are bound to face the consequences of it. And number 4, if you want to really be a human, really you want to become compassionate, please be purely vegetarian. I strongly believe, whether you agree or not, Many person who may not believe or may not agree. I strongly believe if we are not vegetarian, if we don't love animals and other things, they are all the core creations of the God, of one God, then we cannot be truly spiritual, we cannot be human, and we cannot be really compassionate. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice words and for keeping the city safe and letting us put Facebook statuses whenever we want and whatever we want.